Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing the car and removing the wheel so you have clear access to the sway bar link. Once the vehicle is safely on stands, inspect the link for corrosion and note bolt types, stud or through bolt, so you grab the right sockets. Start spraying penetrating oil on both nuts. Let it soak while you assemble tools. You do this to reduce rounding and ease removal. Now position a breaker bar and the correct trench on the backing nut and be ready to apply steady, controlled force. Once soaked, hold the stud head with the appropriate hex key or secondary wrench to counter-rotate the assembly. Then apply the breaker bar to the nut with steady pressure. A short, sharp movement often breaks rust bonds. If it refuses to budge, apply a focused heat source to the nut for a few seconds, but be careful with rubber bushings and nearby components. After the nut backs off, unthread it fully and pull the bolt through. Collect washers, bushings, and note orientation for reinstallation. With the old hardware out, fit the new link or a replacement bolt the same way the originals sat. Make sure bushings and washers are aligned. Hand thread the nut first, then torque to spec using a calibrated torque wrench. This prevents overloading bushings and ensures correct sway bar function. Once reassembled, lower the car and tighten lug nuts. Finally, take a short test drive at low speed to check for clunks. If you encountered a seized bolt, remember, penetrating oil, heat, impact tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.